Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this, and welcome to week number 2, where we're going to talk about the hotel business. And, we start off with talking about hotels. I often will ensure that I put the warning out there that a lot of times people think hospitality is just hotels, and it's really much more than that. So while we're going to start here, for sure, our semester is going to take us to a variety of different areas of our hospitality industry. What activities we have for you to be able to learn about the hotel business, and after viewing this information, being able to understand hotel ownership and development via franchising and management contracts, and then thinking about the different classifications of hotels, whether it be by a rating system, a type, a location, or a price range. Also touching upon vacation ownership, and really a couple of the activities, especially the trends in hotel development and management, thinking about some of the disruptors to what has traditionally been the hospitality industry. Talking about VRBO, Airbnb, and these types of endeavors that have changed a little bit of the landscape and really made it a little bit more of an entrepreneurial type of activity that you might be thinking about. So from some of the introductions, I know that goals are just to, at this moment, to be able to understand some of the different job opportunities, career pathways. In previous classes, I have had individuals that really were looking at starting either an Airbnb business or purchasing a hotel, and starting it that way. So this week's information on hotel business might be especially interesting if you're interested in that particular pathway. So the activities that we'll have, a video and a couple of pages of materials, as well as the corresponding chapter 2 in the book. There are a couple of activities that I have cited as some of the pages in the book. And for your convenience, I know that there was a little bit of confusion, so I do apologize. When I first did my syllabus, I did it, and the bookstore said that edition 9 would be the book that was available for purchase or rent. Unfortunately, I didn't know about Skyline College's opportunity to have a free option, and that option is version 8. So where I can, I've gone in and I've put the pages either for edition 9 or edition 8. But if you have any difficulty or questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Finally, I did want to touch on the service evaluations. And so many of you have completed the service evaluation assignment that was due on Friday. And so now I have a discussion that's going to be up for the rest of the semester. It won't be due until the end. And a little bit about how it works is here, and I wanted to go over it. So I have taken all of your feedback on what are the top 2 criteria that you think are most important in evaluating service. And now your opportunity is the expectation is to complete at least 4 service evaluations throughout the entire semester and respond to at least 3 of your peers in this discussion post. So I'll make sure that I can post if I don't see a service evaluation right away, or if I see that it's a little bit off track, I'll go in there and post, and you can definitely comment on mine as well. And so it has a little bit about the grading here, but I wanted to point out the service evaluation sheet and what everyone contributed to me as being the most important. I put these in alphabetical order, although there were a couple of themes that came out throughout everyone's submissions. So attitude, demeanor, professionalism, treatment and appreciation of customers, availability or timeliness, that could be of product or of the service itself, cleanliness, consistency, credibility and reliability, loyalty benefits, which I thought was really interesting. I hadn't heard that one before, but definitely something when you're evaluating service. You might overlook the Starbucks experience if you're getting stars towards your future coffee. A personalized experience, problem resolution, either having the problem to begin with or then how it was solved, overall experience, and then would I recommend or go back. So when you're submitting your evaluations, you can either use this template, and I've attached it as well. Or you can just tell me in a story format. I don't really have any specific or stringent criteria, because what I'm most excited about as we go through this part of our core objective is really looking at how you evaluate service, and hearing some of your stories, and being able to see the discussion between students in this portion of the class. So I look forward to a great week ahead. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon. Bye.